If you just tapped a link and your stomach dropped a little, take a breath. You have time. Here are 4 things to do right now in order. This happens to careful people too. It doesn't mean you did something wrong. It means you're human. Let's fix it. There's one step people almost always skip, and it's the one that protects you the most. I'll tell you which. Step 1. Disconnect. Turn on airplane mode or turn off your Wi-Fi. This stops anything bad from talking to the internet while you take the next steps. Step 2. Change your passwords. Start with your email, because if they get into your email, they can get into everything else. Step 3. Watch your accounts. Check your bank and your cards for anything unusual. Today and again tomorrow. Step 4. And this is the one people skip. Tell someone. Call your bank directly using the number on the back of your card, not any number from the message. Then report it at the FTC, reportfraud.ftc.gov. Let's say it again. Disconnect. Change your passwords, starting with email. Watch your accounts. And tell someone, your bank, then the FTC. Do these 4 things. And whatever they were after, they don't get it. Now that you know what to do after, let's make sure it doesn't happen again. Next, the one thing your real bank will never do, and why that rule alone stops most scams cold.